Support and maintenance page. Increase your business productivity plus flexibility and realize significant cost benefits to your business with our innovative maintenance and enhancement packages. We understand that professional maintenance and support is the most reliable way to reduce systems downtime. We'll identify and resolve issues immediately as they're reported. Our services are cost-effective and cover all aspects of IT systems development and support needs. Our expert systems developers assist in on-demand tasks that are required to maintain optimum performance. Our support and maintenance model is created to address your key concerns. It allows you to concentrate on your core business activities and generate better work productivity. Services we offer. Website maintenance. Our technical team serves you to keep your site fresh and error-free. We update and maintain your site to help you focus on the growth of your business. 24/7 monitoring. Our certified engineers resolve any performance issues within time and also assure that you get notified of any failure. Product testing. Our testing services help resolve critical issues for error-free functioning. Support consultation. Our technical support consultation service help industries improve their operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. To know more, keep looking for our videos or book a session with our Dynamics experts at sales@cynoteck.com.